In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Amazon cart without losing items. Let's dive in. To begin, head over to Amazon.com. If you're located outside the United States, make sure to visit your respective regional site. This step is essential because the website automatically tailors its services and products based on your geographical location. Now, once you're on the home page, let your eyes navigate towards the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see a small shopping cart icon waiting there for you. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to viewing the treasures you've been eyeing but haven't yet purchased. Once you've clicked the cart icon, you're transported to a new page that showcases all the items you've decided to potentially buy. Here, each product is displayed with its relevant details, including the price and the quantity. It's like peering into a digital shopping basket without the hassle of pushing a trolley around a busy store. You'll notice that your cart has been automatically updated as you added items. Isn't that convenient? One of the beauties of this setup is that you don't have to worry about losing anything you've selected. Your items remain in the cart until you decide to remove them manually. It's easy to overlook these digital nuances when we're busy with our online shopping, but knowing your way around can help you make better purchasing decisions. A quick tip: if you fear price rises or stock shortages, you'll want to leave your items in the cart until you're ready to purchase. Amazon frequently updates its prices and inventory, so this cautious approach could protect you from disappointment later on. Also, remember that repeatedly checking your cart doesn't affect its contents or how long they've been there. Everything remains just as you left it. To recap, checking your Amazon cart is as simple as navigating to the Amazon website for your region and clicking on the cart icon at the top right of the page. You'll find your potential purchases all in one place with details of each item readily visible. Best of all, unless you decide to remove things by yourself, nothing will shift or disappear. It's a seamless process designed to enhance your shopping experience. Now that you know how to keep track of all your online shopping interests efficiently without the fear of losing them, you can enjoy a smoother, worry-free buying journey. So go ahead, explore your cart with confidence, and make sure everything you want is ready for purchase. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or a curious newbie, understanding your cart's content and the security of it is a step towards more informed buying. Enjoy the freedom and ease of knowing your coveted finds are safe and sound until you're ready to check out. Happy shopping!